how to cancel a trip in TripIt. Hello guys, in this video you'll learn how you can cancel a trip in TripIt, so kindly watch and learn. The first step is to log in into your TripIt account or sign into your TripIt account. Once you've done that, you'll be brought to the trips page automatically. So select the trip that you'd like to cancel. By selecting the trip, you'll see all of your plans being detailed here. Then move to the top right corner and click on the three vertical dots that you can see there. Then amongst the options displayed, you can see add plan, people, edit trip, change trip image, delete trip. So just click on that. And then you'll be asked if you're sure, because once you click on delete trip, the trip will be permanently deleted. So click on delete, and then by clicking on delete, once the trip is deleted, the trip will be cancelled automatically. But one thing you must notice is that once you delete a trip, it is gone for good. So instead of deleting the trip, you can decide to just change specific parts of the trip. But if you want to go ahead, you can still go ahead. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.